song for you guys if that's cool. The song's called The Birds and the Bees. Thank you.
Well, I hope you know, I swear to God, is I hope you know that this won't stop. Is I hope you know, I swear.
Just you guys now. How?
Is I hope you know, I swear to God, is I hope you know that this won't stop. Is I hope you know.
When this shit kicks in, every single person out there feet, alright? Here we go. Well, I swear to God, you're shaking. You know I want. Let me slide it to you, please, baby. Yeah, you want it, let me bring it. Let me.
I'm coming to these ends that my heart can't beat anymore.
What? Just can't get it.
Sing along, sing if you want. 10 more seconds out through your door.
Ready to dance party, 'cause everyone looks right. We've been drinking tonight, when I won't stop. When it's a quarter for a day of life, heat is breaking. Alright, you guys know this part. Sing it loud, alright? Here we go. Let's swear to God. Let me slide it to you, please, baby. If you want it, let me bring it, let me.
I'll call you in the morning. You think it's right? Well, is it over? Is it over?
Ready to dance party, 'cause everyone looks right. And I played you all night. Would you believe in me?
And if I told you that I love you, and every day I felt this way, it would take me to the place you know, the one that leaves me all alone.
Yo, hands in the air.
So lay right here, just for a minute. We'll talk just a little, just about it all. Take and slow.
Last chorus, you know what to do. Off your feet, alright? Here we go. Let's swear to God. You're shaking. Let me slide it to you, baby. If you want it, let me bring, let me. Alright, you guys, here we go. Loud as you can. Let's swear to God.
Dude, this sounds pretty good, man. What do you guys got over here?
And let me. This sounds louder.
Right now, as loud as you
Let's
fucking
swear
can.
to God. Let's finish strong.
One last time.
And let me. Woo! Thank you guys so very much.
D, I think my son